Hello dear students, welcome to Servian.com career guidance portal. This is a tutorial about how to fill CLAT 2024 application form. Visit the official website of CLAT, click on register by entering your name, then your mobile number, then your email ID, then create a strong password, confirm your password, and then click on register. You can see your account is successful. Now enter the OTP to activate your account. Now you have to log in by entering your password. Click on login. Now read the instructions before filling the application form. You can apply for two programs. One is undergraduate LL.B 5-year program and second is 1-year LL.M. Click on apply for CLAT 2024. This is CLAT UG application form. First you have to enter your personal information. You have to start with uploading your photograph. Then enter your name as per 10+2 certificate. Enter your date of birth. Do you qualify under NRI category? Select yes or no. Your All India category. Do you qualify under PWD category? Select yes or no, and similarly fill these fields. Next is your signature. Upload your signature. Gender, name of your parent or guardian, do you qualify under NRI sponsored category? Select yes or no, and last, do you qualify under EWS category? Then click on save as draft. Next is communication details. You have to enter first your correspondence address. Write down your complete correspondence address. Select your state, your district and PIN code. Next is your permanent address. Write down your complete permanent address. Again select your state, district, PIN code, alternate contact number, and the last, your alternate email ID. Next, click on save as draft. Next is qualifying examination details. Select your qualifying exam, your past or appearing status, your year of passing, name of your school board, month of passing, and percentage of marks. Click on save as draft. Next is your test center preferences. You have to select any 3 test centers. select your preferred cities for appearing in CLAT. Then click on Save as Draft. Last is reservation. You can read the guidelines here. You have to select reservation as applicable. You can see, are you a Karnataka student? Select yes or no if you belong to Karnataka, or no. Similarly, you have to go through all these fields and one by one select all the options. If you belong to all these, any of these states, you can select yes, else no. If you want to claim reservation under any other category, you can select complete this section. Then click on Submit Form. Now you can see your application is submitted. You have to verify your email ID. In our case, our email is verified. Next is, you can edit your application. You can delete your application if you want to. You can update NLU preferences, and last, you can make fee payment. First, we will update our NLU preferences. Here we have to select our preferred NLUs. So we have the option of selecting 31 preferences. Complete your preferences for NLUs. Last, click on Update Preferences. Now you can see your current preferences that you have just updated. Now click here to go to home page and complete your fee payment. Now click on Make Payment and confirm your payment. You can pay using online mode, debit card, credit card, or net banking. If you have any other queries, you can ask us on servian.com. Thank you for watching.